Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video we will see the global age selection process plus previously asked aptitude questions, technical related questions, reasoning questions. Okay, so many of you have already received shortlisted mail for the online test for global age recruitment drive. Okay, if you have not applied for this drive, then you will not receive mail from the recruitment team. Okay, so make sure you have applied for it. Okay, so the first will be your online test, then programming test, then technical interview 1 and interview 2, and then it will be HR round. uh, Recently the pattern might be changed, because technical interview they can take only one interview instead of round 1 and round 2, and programming test they might include the programming test questions in online test itself. Okay, so I have not included the programming test or coding questions in this video, but I will provide you the aptitude questions asked, then reasoning questions, and then technical questions. Okay, so let us start one by one. Okay, so this is global age reasoning ability questions. I'll open it. So these are the questions. So if you want to note down, or it will take some time. Okay, not some time, it will take more time to note down and all. If you want these documents, then please share your mail id in the comment box below. I will provide these documents. Okay, so these are global reasoning ability questions which were asked in global age recruitment drive. Okay, so these are the questions, you can check here. So try to solve from your side. Okay, then if you don't have that much of time, then you can directly search these questions on Google. Okay, so these are total 10 pages of PDF. This is syllogism, then logical reasoning, all are asked in this document. Okay, so this is reasoning. Then I will show you aptitude test questions. It's opening. So these are global age aptitude test questions. This is 5 pages of document. The answer is already provided here. This is third, fourth, then this one is fifth. If you want, then you can pause your video and you can take it. Okay, then these are global age technical related questions. It includes networking, operating system, okay, many more. Then coding, pseudo codes. Okay, So these are technical. It is 19 pages PDF. Answers are already provided here. You can check one by one. It includes pseudocode questions also. As I already told you that there might be your programming questions, but yeah, as you know that Infosys also changed their pattern, recruitment pattern. Instead of coding questions, they are asking the pseudocode questions. So for global age recruitment process, the selection process might be the same. Instead of asking coding questions directly, global age recruitment team might ask pseudocode questions. So please prepare accordingly. And there is one more important, most important, I want to share in this video. So I will share once it completes. And if you haven't followed me on my Instagram page, please follow on my Instagram page. I post the job updates there as well. If you haven't followed it, you will get my Instagram page link in the about section of my YouTube channel. See, LinkedIn linked list implementation also asked, data structure also asked, then encryption, decryption, networking. As I already told you that they might ask on networking as well. Okay, then OS, operating system, all this is included. So this is, and now this is 54 pages document. Technical also, this one is technical. This is pseudocode questions. What is the output of program? Like that. Pseudocode questions. So these are actually, this is 54 pages questions, and if I scroll one by one, then it will take some time. So it's better that I will share these documents with you. If you want, please comment your mail ID below. I will provide. Actually, total how many questions are there? Around 100 questions, I think there are total. If we take one by one and check the answer now, then it will take more time. Answer are already provided here. for this pseudocode. So whenever you see any pseudocode, hand run your program first. Okay, just remember one thing, hand run your program. You will get your output directly. So if you have received mail from Global Age Recruitment Team, then please comment below. Okay, if you have received, so that I will get an idea that how many candidates have received mail. This is 43 pages document. Again, job scheduler. Okay, operating system, it comes under operating system. Then process, which one is not the process state, context switch. Then round robin algorithm, operating system, memory management, swapping, demand paging, file system, everything is covered. Operating system questions started, LRU, LFU, then paging, scheduling, segmentation, file management, everything is covered. Gateway, switch, router, ATM, packet, bootstrap loader, BIOS. This document consists OS related question as well as networking related question. Socket programming also. Who is the father of computers? These all questions also asked. Like almost syllabus is covered here. Okay, so this one. Okay, so if you want all these uh, important documents, then comment your mail ID below. Now we will proceed the next important that I want to tell you, that many of you use the India Bix site, where you can prepare your aptitude test preparation. You can do from this site. Another one is Gigs for Gigs, if you don't know. Then in India Bix, candidates also share their interview experience also, and this is a very good site to prepare for um, any aptitude related off campus drives. Okay, so this is Global Age sample test paper. Candidate post the question here. Okay, so these questions are posted by the candidates. Okay, so you can also check that whether this question is asked in this document. Okay, you can check here, as it is pseudocode question. First I am giving just sample example here. First question is pseudocode question, then you can check that whether this question is asked in that pseudocode question document or not, so that you will get idea for which questions are repeating and all. Okay, so this one is the second question. These are the already asked questions in the Global Age of Campus Drive. So I will, don't worry, I will provide these links in the description box below. You just look here or go through it once. And you can check here, total 826 candidates liked this post posted by some candidate. Okay, so another one is, this is also sample paper. What is the output of following code? Again, I think both are same. Let me check. Okay, both are same, so I will close this. We will keep this one only. Then this one also, pseudocode questions. Pseudocode questions asked. Then next is, what is a where is the MBR stored, then what is the partition table stored. Yeah, these are OS related question, operating system subject. Okay, so before giving your exam or before attending your exam, you can just practice these questions, or just go through at least once. Instead of practicing, go through at least once. It consists multiple questions. Banker algorithm also there, I think. Then this one, what is big endian, then little endian, then 8086 has how many data bus and address bus, scheduling algorithm, generating operating system, router also mentioned. So all these C questions, what is the output? Did you observe that pseudocode questions are compulsory asked? Pseudocode questions are compulsory asked here. Okay, so these are networking. Repeaters are in which OSI layer? So answers are already provided here. Candidates post the question here. Okay, 8086. Oh, this one is the same link. I will close this. Okay, so I will provide these 4 links, India BICS site links, in the description box below. And if you want this document, then please comment below your mail ID. I will provide this document to you. Okay, so all the best for Global Age recruitment online test. Do your 100%, do your best, never give up. Okay, and I wish you all the best. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.